Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make calls more than one contact in Skype application. So how to make calls more than one contact in Skype application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. To make a call more than one contact, there are several ways. The first way. You can go to the menu, Calls. After that, in the Calls menu, we direct the cursor to the contact to be called, and tap Contact. Then at the top right of the screen here there is a call icon. Tap icon Call. Well, here we see still two people. Now to add another person. Move the cursor to the bottom left of the screen. And here, tap Add Participation. Here check the contact to be added to the call. Next tap Add. Well, here we can see in this call there are 3 people. The second way. You can go to the menu, Calls. After that, on the Calls menu, we select New Calls. Then a menu like this will come out. Select some contacts that will be included in the call by checking the contact. For example, I will choose these 2 contacts. After that, tap Call. Well, here there is a call display on Skype. Here we can see in the call there are 3 people or contacts. The third way. That is by utilizing the group feature. Tap the new icon here. And tap Add New Group. Here the group data input menu will appear. In the name section we enter the group name, for example I type call. And then tap the arrow that is here. Next, we select some contacts that will be included in the call by checking the contact. For example, I will choose these 2 contacts. After that, tap Done. Well, here it will automatically be in the group that we created. Point the cursor to the top right. And tap Start Calls. And tap Start Calls. Well, we are still waiting for approval or the answering of my phone call request to the contact I am aiming for. So that's it. Tutorial how to make calls in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.